Hey, let's learn how to recolor objects in ready-made illustrations. First, download the illustration and mask, then open the illustration file in Adobe Photoshop. If you need a shadow, open that file too, and move the shadow layer below the main one. Next, place the mask image on top of all layers. Use the magic wand tool to select the skirt first. Zoom in to check the edges of your selection. If the selection doesn't perfectly align with the color boundary, you can adjust it by going to the Select menu, then Modify, and choosing Expand or Contract. In this case, the selection looks good, so let's proceed. Hide the top mask layer, select the illustration layer, and add a gradient map adjustment layer. The skirt will be recolored based on your selection. Open the gradient map settings to see the range from the image's darkest to lightest parts. I've already prepared a palette for this illustration and taken a blue hex code. Add a point in the center and change the white color to the blue one you copied. Now, let's repaint the t-shirts and sneakers in yellow. Turn the mask layer back on and select it. Repeat the same steps for this selection. Copy the yellow color from your palette and paste it into the center of the gradient map. Adjust the point to achieve a more natural shade if the yellow looks too light. To refine it further, replace the black with a darker shade of yellow. Next, we'll move on to the headphones and books. Let's repaint the selected objects in green and adjust their brightness. You can also fill objects with multiple colors. Returning to our skirt example, place a pink color from the palette between the blue and white points on the gradient map. This method creates a lovely, iridescent effect. Now, you know how to use masks to repaint objects in ready-made illustrations. Best of luck with your creative projects.